Hey everyone, have you ever wondered if your serum gets over? What do you do if your favorite serum, which you really love, gets over? Your frizzy hair, your dry hair, it used to control everything. What do I do now? This has happened with me. What to do? What to do? Oh, yeah, I have a solution to it. It's aloe vera gel. As aloe vera gel has so many benefits, why do I waste my time? Let's just get started with it. So to make a hair serum with the aloe gel, all you need is aloe leaf I have taken directly from the plant. You can take a gel from the market. The next is rose water. It has amazing moisturizing properties and a good fragrance. And you need an empty bottle with the spray or without the spray. It's all up to you. It's your choice. I have taken this spray bottle. Next, start with the aloe leaf. First, cut the sides and then you cut from the middle. Remove all the aloe gel from the aloe vera leaf. And if you're using a ready-made gel, just take 2 tablespoons and pour it on the bowl. Mix it really well with the spoon. I would really recommend you to remove the aloe gel this way so that when you do the blending, it will be very easy for you. Guys, be careful because some people are allergic to aloe gel, so I will really advise you to have a patch test. Now this patch test, you can do it either on your elbow or you can do it back of the ear. So these are the leftovers of the aloe leaf. I would advise you not to throw them. I will tell you what to do at the end of the video. So after removing all the gel from the aloe leaf, you have to blend it really well. I am here doing it in an authentic way to blend it. You can blend it with the blender. It's all up to you, whatever is convenient and easy to you. Blend it really well. Try to extract complete juice from aloe vera leaf. So you see, this is how the blending looks. This is the gel that we have blended now. I've decided to blend it even more so that I can take all the juice from this gel. Blend, 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 blend. Here we are. We are finally done with the blending. Now this is how the mixture looks. We have blended really well. We have struggled so much. Now take the rose water. Take it 2 tablespoons and then mix the aloe gel that we have blended. We are trying to remove the pulp and just take the juice from this. If you have blended from the blender, this will be a little easier for you. So guys, this is how it will look like. If you can see the gel in the water, and this is the pulp that we have taken out. Mix it really well. So this is how the consistency will look like. It is little gel based, but it is little water based also. Now in this bottle I have added 15 ml of water. I'm just making very little serum because I have to just keep a 1 week. I would highly advise you to make a serum with a very less quantity which will be there just for 1 week, because after 1 week I would not advise you to use this serum. Make a fresh serum again. Yeah, so this is how the serum will look like. This is little water based. Because my hair is fine, that's why I have made this liquid very liquidy. But if your hair is thick, I would advise you to make it in a gel based form, as in use less of water and more of gel. So here it is guys, we are finally done making it. We made it in just like 5 minutes. So let's try this on our hair. I'm so excited to try this on my hair. Guys, there are 2 ways you can apply this serum. You can apply it on dry hair, you can apply it on damp hair. It's all up to you. Whenever you feel comfortable, you can use it as a hair mist. Because it is little liquidy, it will be easier for you to spray it. And you know the best thing about this serum, it helps you to detangle your hair very easily. You just apply it, comb it, and it will detangle your hair. So the people who have colored hair, chemically treated hair, or their hair are dry from mids to ends, I would advise you to apply a little more towards mids to ends. You see, after the application, it detangled the hair so easily, so quickly. This serum, you can use it on your palm and then apply it on your hair rather than just directly spraying on it. Both the ways are absolutely okay. After the application, comb your hair really well so that the product spreads all over very easily and evenly. So you saw after my application, my hair looks really frizz free. You can leave it that way or you can dry your hair. It's completely optional. The best way to take the benefits of this serum is apply overnight, like wash your hair and apply it overnight. You will see the results. Your hair will be really smooth and soft. So here you see I haven't used any brush, anything, and just with the application my hair is super shiny, super smooth, frizz free, and I'm feeling so good when I'm touching my hair. And that is all just with 3 products: aloe gel, rose water, and filtered water. I really want you guys to try this at home and let me know in the comment section below how your hair feels, how you feel about this serum. So if you really enjoyed this video, do like it, subscribe to my channel, and definitely do share it with your friends. Do follow me on Instagram, guys. I really like to know you and interact with you all. And yes, lastly, don't forget these leftovers. These are really important. You can use it on your face before the makeup or after removing your makeup. It is amazing for your hydration. Yeah, so I hope to see you soon and love you all. Bye.